Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about the real deal when it comes to beauty. Today, we're taking a close look at a moisturizer that claims to tackle multiple signs of aging while offering broad spectrum protection. If you're someone who's looking for a product that hydrates, firms, and brightens while addressing wrinkles and crepiness, stick with me. This review of the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Triple Power Face and Neck Moisturizer may just be what you've been looking for. This moisturizer is packed with a powerhouse blend of Pro-Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, 3 ingredients that have made their mark in dermatology and skincare. L'Oreal Paris promises that this formula works to combat the visible signs of aging while providing up to 48 hours of hydration. Plus, with SPF 30, it shields your skin from harmful UV rays, which are responsible for a significant amount of skin aging. In terms of texture, this product is a lightweight, non-greasy cream. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a smooth finish, which makes it perfect for layering underneath makeup. One thing I noticed right away was how well it works as both a moisturizer and a sunscreen. The combination of Pro-Retinol and vitamin C makes it an anti-aging powerhouse, but with that broad-spectrum SPF 30, it gives you that added layer of daily defense that is often overlooked in other products. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I've been incorporating this into my routine for the past couple of weeks, and here's what I've experienced. First off, the scent is subtle, which is great for those who are sensitive to fragrance. It goes on effortlessly and doesn't feel heavy, even when applied to the neck and chest area, which is always a bonus when you're looking for a product that tackles aging all over. The hydration is real. My skin feels moisturized throughout the day, and I didn't notice any dryness creeping up, even as the weather got cooler. When it comes to tackling aging concerns, I can say that I've noticed subtle improvements. My skin does appear a bit firmer, and there's a slight reduction in the fine lines around my jawline. As for the neck area, it's tough to say if there's been any major transformation, but it does feel smoother and more hydrated. The true test is the long-term effects, so we'll have to wait and see if those deeper wrinkles soften with continued use. However, there are a few things worth noting. While this is a great all-in-one product, it may not be strong enough for those looking for more potent anti-aging treatments. Retinol enthusiasts, for example, might find it a bit mild. If you're someone who's used to the heavy-hitting ingredients like prescription retinoids or higher concentrations of vitamin C, this might feel more like a gentle daily moisturizer than an intensive treatment. Pros: it's an easy-to-use, multifunctional product that hydrates, firms, and protects. The SPF 30 is a huge win for daily use. It's also lightweight and non-comedogenic, which makes it suitable for sensitive skin. Plus, it's free from parabens, mineral oil, and dyes, so you're getting a clean formula that's dermatologist tested. Cons: if you're looking for a high-concentration retinol product for more aggressive anti-aging results, this may not be strong enough. Also, while it hydrates well, some users may prefer a richer formula, especially if you have dry skin. In terms of value for money, it's a solid option for an everyday moisturizer with SPF. Given its affordable price point, this moisturizer offers a lot of benefits without breaking the bank. The triple action formula is a great deal for anyone wanting a simple but effective anti-aging solution. When comparing it to similar products on the market, there are a few competitors in the same price range, but L'Oreal's inclusion of SPF 30 is a key differentiator. Other anti-aging moisturizers often don't pack in the sun protection, so this combination of anti-aging with daily sun defense is worth considering. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the pump is convenient for dispensing the right amount of product without any mess. The product doesn't feel cheaply made, and the quality is consistent with other L'Oreal Paris skincare lines. I also love that it's easy to apply and doesn't leave a greasy residue behind. Customer support-wise, L'Oreal has always been known for good customer service. While I haven't needed to contact them directly, they have a reputation for being responsive and helpful, which is always reassuring when purchasing a skincare product. If you're someone who's looking for an alternative in a similar price range, there are several drugstore options like Olay Regenerist or Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair that offer similar anti-aging benefits, but with potentially more aggressive retinol options if you're seeking a higher strength formulation. So does L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Triple Power Face and Neck Moisturizer live up to its claims? Absolutely. If you're in the market for a daily moisturizer that provides hydration, sun protection, and a mild dose of anti-aging benefits, this is a great pick. While it may not replace more potent treatments, it's a solid all-in-one solution for those looking to simplify their routine while still addressing multiple skin concerns. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review from Beautyistic. Your support really helps us create more content just like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. The link to purchase this product will be in the description box below, and if you've tried this moisturizer, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.